She's inside. Set to go now. Race number 2. This is a Dream Lover Spartan Pusong Batay Zariag side pag-ukol bubukol. Clibridge alongside comes Burbank and so enduring is the early player. Pusong Bato by about 2.5 lengths. Spartan now in second. Ag-ukol bubukol in third. Clibridge in fourth. Dream Lover, Burbank and so enduring is still racing in last. We have number 6, Pusong Bato. Spartan now moves up to take the lead. Spartan by about 2 lengths. Pusong Bato. Clibridge now in third. Alongside fourth comes Pag-ukol bubukol Burbank. And that's still Spartan by about 2 lengths. Clibridge now in second. Pag-ukol bubukol in third. Pusong Bato, Burbank. Spartan still the winner. Clibridge and Ariax at third comes Pag-ukol bubukol. As they come down at the last of the day. Spartan by about 2 lengths. Clibridge. Pag-ukol bubukol is Ariax outside. But it's still Spartan. Clibridge. Pag-ukol bubukol is Ariax outside. Entering the finish line. It's going to be close. Clibridge, Pag-ukol bubukol. Then comes Spartan.
At yan po bayang karirista, nakita niyo po, close tayo dun sa ating race number 2. Talaga mga exciting po ang mga nangyayaring bakbakan ngayon between 7, Pag-ukol bubukol at